Hi, welcome back to Salesforce Textbook. As part of this session, we are going to discuss few market area questions on LWC. Before we are going to start, let's have a great quote for us from Vivekananda. Take risks in your life. If you win, you can lead. If you lose, you can guide. So let's start our session. So for every question here, I'll give a pause. You can think about the answers, then you can correct once I reveal answers. So let's start. How can we pass information from parent component to child component? How can we pass information from parent component to child component? The second question is, how can you send information from child component to parent? How can you send information between two components on a flexi page? Or you can say, how can you send information between two components which are not related? Okay, either it is not a parent component or child component. That means it is not in the parent child mode, but it is individual pages on an app page or a home page or a record page. Can you name few HTML directives in LWC? How can you load a record without Apex code and how many ways we have? So think for a few more seconds. I'm going to reveal answers now. Now let's go with first question. How can we pass information from parent component to child component? You can pass information using public properties on child component, and you can call a public method on a child component and pass the information, and you can use or you can utilize get set properties on child component to pass information from parent component to child component. Now, how can you send information from child to parent? It's easy by using custom event. Now, how can you send information between two different pages on a flexi page? Either app page or record page or home page. You can use PubSub module, which is already available in LWC recipes from Salesforce. Okay, or otherwise Lightning Message Service, which is generally available now. Okay, with summer 20, I think summer 20 release, then you can use. So with Lightning Message Service here, I want to give more information here. With the Lightning Message Service, not only communicating between two Lightning Web Components, you can pass the communication between Lightning Web Component to Aura component to Visual Force, and Visual Force to Aura, and Aura to Web Component, Lightning Web Component. So we already have 5 sessions on Lightning Message Service. You can look into Lightning Message Service playlist. You can learn about it. It is very good service from Salesforce. Try to learn. Please try to learn. Now, next question is, can you name few HTML directives in LWC? We have for each iterator, these two directives for displaying the list of items or list of records, and key is a directive. When you are going to use this key, you are going to use or you are going to assign this key for the immediate element in the for each. When you use for each or iterator directives for displaying the list of records, and LWC DOM, and if true or false. These are all the directives. For each and every directive, there is a purpose, there is a purpose, there is a functionality. You can have a look into Lightning Web Component libraries. Okay, and you can see these things in our examples of Salesforce Textbook under Lightning Web Components playlist. Now, how can you load a record without Apex code, and how many ways we have? We have different ways. One is, so basically, how can you do this operations to load records? By using Lightning Data Service, you can avoid Apex code to load the records. Okay, so here you have Lightning. So base components you have, those base components are Lightning Record Edit Form, Record Form, and Lightning Record View Form. If you pass record ID, then it loads the values. So about these things, you have different kind of examples. You can have a look. How can you work with this? And wire adapters and functions in the Lightning UI Record API. We have user interface API. In that UI Record API also a part of UI API. From that you have different kind of adapters to get the record details. One of the method is get record. Okay, for example, get record. You can have a look into Lightning UI Record API under Lightning Web Component Library, and we have this in our examples also. You can have a look. This is how you can load record without Apex code. Okay, all the best. Please subscribe to Salesforce Techbook.